Now, see, this is the, so nose line, eye line and ear line should be the same position. First with this is here. Again this line, right starts. And not upper here. Here the chin. And here, see this is how the proportion. Here the that no. Nose, eyes and ear should be one same position. Very lightly, not very lightly. The first stage, I making the final point now. See, this is the ear and this is nose, right? Nose, eyes and ear are in the same position. Line in the same direction. Okay, in the same direction only. Here we just extend this side. Okay. Now, in final line, no any lots of lines, keep everything no need. There is a very specific. Darker. Now it's darker. Second drawing should be darker. All trying white light because correct, you are perfectly correct. Okay, so now I draw here like this. Right? Now, the final line is different, no? Final line is coming all line. It's easy, right? Make one line like this. Okay. And it's on vacation. cat have this eyebrows like this. See this eyebrow. Eyebrow or not? See this one. Right, no, but it's that. It's eyebrow. Now you can just something, no, this picture first. Not done. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.